In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export a video in CapCut PC for TikTok. So first of all, you need to make sure you're in the correct TikTok dimensions. So your clip might be in the YouTube dimensions. It might be filmed landscape, and you might want to change this to the TikTok dimensions. So you need to make sure you're in the right dimensions first. To do this, you can go to ratio under the preview of your clip, and you want to change it to 9:16, and this will make your clip the right dimensions. You then might need to go to your clip, go to the video section and increase the scale and move this so this is clearly visible. Now once you've created your TikTok video, you can go export in the top right hand corner. This will then prompt you to change the name, so go ahead and change the name. I'm just going to call it TikTok. You can then choose a file location. I'm going to keep it on my downloads, but if you click on this, you can choose any destination. For video resolution, I'd keep it on 1080p. Unless your clip was filmed in 4K, but for most of you 1080p is going to be fine. You can then go ahead and make sure the codec is on 2.64. This is going to be the codec you want for online video, as well as an MP4 format. For the frame rate, this will depend on whatever your clip is recorded in. For most people this will be 30. And then if you need audio, make sure the audio section is checked. This will be unchecked by default, so make sure it is checked. And you can then choose your audio format as MP3 in my case, and then all you've got to do is click on export. It will then export your file into the folder you've selected, so we can go ahead and click open folder, and here we've got a folder of the video that we've just created. We can go ahead and click on the MP4 file, and here is our finished TikTok video. So that is how you do it. I hope that video did help you out.